Hi, good evening everyone. This is JK Jitendra Kumar connecting from Pune, India. So I'm a coach, entrepreneur, speaker and a published author. So I hope you are all safe, your family members are safe during this COVID-19 situation and taking care of yourself. So if you are a coach or a trainer or a speaker or an entrepreneur, and if you are not still written a book, I mean, this is the right time to write a book during this lockdown. And if you're still thinking, when will I start writing a book, or if you're stuck somewhere, how should I write the book? How should I structure my chapter, my contents, or what should be my book cover, title, subtitle, or even if you have completed your manuscript, then how will you publish the book? So from the book cover till publishing book, I can help you. So I have helped few people write the book in just 10 days, and they have become authors in just 15 days. So it is possible, guys. If you are really interested, if you are really serious about writing a book, you should inbox us in this comment box and do check out the testimonials I received from all of them.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohsin Mulani. I'm a life coach and a take charge expert, and so as I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. So I was having my life coaching business. So to enhance my business, I wanted to improve my credibility. So I thought of becoming an author, but I was not knowing a single step of becoming an author. So one fine day I meet Jitendra Kumar, named as JK, and he has handholded me to take my journey of becoming a coach. And he has helped me in each and every step, right from finalizing my title to my cover design cover, plus all the editing part of my content, each and everything. And he was there with me till I published my book. So JK is a man to go if you ever wanted to become an author. And the most important thing about he is result oriented, and he is an action coach. He makes you do things. And so please hold hand of JK if you want to become an author. And JK, really, I owe my success of becoming an author to you. So guys, my name of book is To Be a Best Version of Yourself, and it is available on Amazon also. That's the
Hi, this is Sakshi Sharma. I'm a life transformation coach, and I have written a book recently on gratitude, which is grateful for another day of my life. And this morning I thought, why not express this gratitude to the person who has helped me writing this book. And he is Mr. Jitendra Kumar, JK, known as the action coach. And he truly got me into action and helped me right from the scratch, from deciding the book title to designing the cover, helped me with the structure of the contents, and publishing the book. So if you are somebody who is too lazy and who is doubtful if they would be able to complete their book, you should reach out to him, because he is a man of commitment. And I have written this book in 5 days, and I never imagined I would be writing a book, but he got me completed the book in 5 days. So I cannot tell you that how committed this man is, and he will help you throughout until your book is published. So I'm very grateful to have met JK right in time, and I would strongly recommend, if anybody is looking for writing a book and needs help, please reach out to JK, because he will ensure that you are an author. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Venkat Balatrapu. I'm currently a peak performance coach, a career coach, and an insurance consultant and trainer. After completing more than 3 decades as a senior insurance professional, having worked globally, I have become a coach, and my biggest dream has always been writing my own book to share my experiences. It didn't happen till last week when I was stuck, for the last 2 months, especially as to how I'll go about my book. Luckily, I met JK, who is a thorough professional in helping somebody come up with their dream project like writing a book. Everything from the cover design, fixing the title, tagline, contents, structure of the book, JK helped me very, very swiftly. We could set specific deadlines, and I agreed that I will give him the manuscript by 3rd May. And knowing JK as an action coach, I can tell you that because of him, I could complete my manuscript not on 3rd, by 2nd itself. And yesterday evening, I got my book published. So it was an awesome experience working with JK, because he is a man really committed and he knows what an author wants actually. So everything he ensured, very thorough professional job he did. And the best thing I liked about JK was not only is he committed, he is very, very enthusiastic, and he knows the knack of getting a book published in record time. That is the beauty. Right from fixing the title up to the fixing the maximum retail price of the book at the end of the project. And I would highly recommend, if you are dreaming about your book project, please take the services of JK. I'm sure your experience will be awesome. Thank you.
Good luck, and hope to meet you in the journey of writing book. You have a story, you write a book. Good luck. See you.